Next, let us welcome our new head girl, Aparna Singh Baghel of 12th A, who aspires to be an IAS. She endears everyone with her sweetness, but at the same time, she exudes rock-solid determination.
Next, let us welcome our new General Secretary, Devansh Gupta of 11C.
Here comes Joint Secretary Janvi Singh of 11B and Harshjot Singh Kahle of 9th A.
Here comes General Captain Om Singh of 11th A.
Next we have our Vice Captain Divyani Singh Baghel of 11th A and Ayush Kumar Singh of 9th C.
Next, let's move on to House Captains and Vice Captains. Here comes Red House Captains Hardik Kumar Sinha of 11th A, Swati Dwivedi of 11B and Vice Captain Raj Nandini Singh of 9th C.
Here comes Greenhouse Captains Tushar Pandey of 11B, Shreya Pandey of 11B and Vice Captain Akshat Chaturvedi of 9B.
Next comes Blue House Captains Prabhakar Vishwakarma of 11B, Kinjal Shukla of 11B, and Vice Captain Shrija Mistry of 9C.
Now we have Yellow House Captains Devendra Singh of 11th A, Khushi Upadhyay of 11B, and Vice Captain Isha Sinha of 9th B.
Thank you, sir. Now we are going to witness oath-taking ceremony which will be administered by our chief guest, Honorable District Collector Shri Rajiv Ranjan Meena, IAS.
मैं इसमें बोलूँगा, आप इसमें दोहराएंगे। I of class swear in the name of God that as I will try my level best to fulfill my duties, responsibilities towards my teachers and companions in the school. I shall always be an exemplary in my studies, behavior, and in complying with rules and regulations of my school depot. I shall carry out my responsibilities and take part in school activities devotedly, diligently, and sincerely for the glory of the school and well-being of the nation. May God help me. Thank you.
Now let's move on to the next important session of the ceremony, that is handing over the school flag from the chief guest, Honorable District Collector Shri Rajiv Ranjan Meena, IAS, and house flags from the hands of our previous captains to the newly elected house captains. Now, Aditya Thakur of 12th B and Aparna Singh Baghel of 12th A, the newly elected head boy and head girl, will be receiving the school flags from the hands of our honorable chief guest.
Now I invite Red House captains Hardik Kumar Sinha of 11th A, Swati Dwivedi of 11B, and Vice Captain Raj Nandini Singh of 9C.
comes Greenhouse Captains Tushar Pandey of 11B, Shreya Pandey of 11B and Vice Captain Akshat Chaturvedi of 9B.
Now I invite Blue House captains Prabhakar Vishwakarma of 11B, Kinjal Shukla of 11th B and Vice Captain Shrija Mistry of 9th C.
Now we have Yellow House Captains Devendra Singh of 11th A, Khushi Upadhyay of 11B and Vice Captain Isha Sinha of 9th B.
Just now, we have witnessed the landmark event of today's program. We hope our new cabinet members will lead the school by example and discharge their duties with utmost dedication. Let's capture this great event and keep it in the historic pages of DePaul School. We request all of you to pose for the photo session.